I can't do it. Come on, you got this. You got this. What is that noise? What are you doing, man? Look, bro, if you don't want to drill into your toolbox, it's not that big of a deal. Go to Jarhead's website that you ordered the boom from and get the magnetic mount. When did they come out with that? But I already have this mount. I can't do it. Is it on their website yet? Yeah, dude, it's on their website right now. Go take a look at it. It is. All right, hang on. Sweet, there's the mount. Super speed, ultra fast shipping. I'm gonna select that because I'm ready to get this thing on there. What is that noise? Dang, that was some fast shipping. Let's go right here. Shoot. Oh, strong magnets. That is way better. Oh yeah. And it's stiff. Thanks, man. Whole lot better than drilling into my box. Now, can you please be quiet so I can get back to work? Have you guys wanted one of our boom kits, but you're like a lot of technicians, you've spent a lot of money on a toolbox or roll cart, and you don't want to drill into it to do a mounting bracket? We just came out with our boom kit that's going to have an option for a magnetic mount. The magnetic mount sticks on and you can put the boom on just fine. In case you're wondering, here's 5 pounds of weight, which is way more than any test leads that you're going to be putting on it. Out here on the very end, holds just fine with 5 pounds of weight on the end of it. These are available on the website now. Have you been wanting one of our boom kits, but like I said, you just didn't want to drill into it? Now's the time to get one. Head on over to our website, jarheaddiagnostics.com, and get your magnetic boom mount. Thank you guys. Have a good one.